Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, August 24th, 2026. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. So what do we have here? Plenty of the data releases, but most of them are not important ones. Let me take a look at the high important ones. No data found. Medium important ones, not that really difficult to see that there is almost nothing here. So the retail sales from the New Zealand, core retail sales from the New Zealand were published overnight. Generally mixed bag of data. As you can see, retail sales minus 0.5%, core retail sales up 0.7%, beating the expectations, and that's about it. We might be waiting for the retail sales data from Poland, and that's about the medium important data releases. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts and we start straight on with the euro dollar. So the euro dollar, for our time frame chart, here we are. This is the nearest development on the euro dollar, local high 1.1711. Let me just place the line here because it looks like we are going to have a, there you go, technical resistance here, temporary technical resistance, and as you can see, we are trading inside of the newest range, very clear defined, 1.1670, 1.1711. Very nice range here. Nevertheless, if you take a look closer, you can see that we were rejected from the breakout to the upside, bearish engulfing pattern, movement to the downside to the bottom of the range. And now if there is a breakout to the downside, we are going to most likely visit the level of 1.162021. Right, so this area here is the next one, especially if the momentum keeps falling like it is right now. So the overall situation on the euro dollar is bullish, but it might be now a pullback time. Now cable hits 1.3674, local high roughly around not even 17 pips away from the target, which is the level of 100% of the expansion. Wave A measured from the bottom of the wave B, and that's the wave C. So ABC to the upside almost hit, almost hit. As we broke out of the channel, we tested the technical resistance, very important technical resistance, into the extremely overbought conditions. And now it looks like the market wants to do some sort of the pullback lower. So obviously this extension is still valid. Nevertheless, we will see if we ever get there in this go. US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Not much is going on here, guys. It looks like we are doing some sort of the triangle. Can I just place this line here? Look at this. There you go. This and this line. Maybe some sort of the triangle is being built. Momentum keeps being rejected from the level of 50, so any breakout to the upside should be quite nice and go inside of this range here. We all know about this range, roughly towards 161 from 160, so this is 100 pips kind of a range. Of course, invalidation of this pattern will bring us down towards 157.37. Gold market. Gold keeps moving higher. As you can see, we got our target here for the 20%. So in that situation, if we hit 4,700 roughly and 65, then extension to the upside will be the same as it was before. So let me just be clear here. Last extension to the upside in wave X was 19.29%, and this extension to the upside, if we get there just above the technical resistance here, 4,765, then this legs will be the same. Why we are talking about it? Because maybe, just maybe, WXY technical correction is not done, because there is still a possibility of the wave, another wave X to the upside, and then down we go. So as long as we are not trading above the 4,765 and especially above the wave X high 4,889, this outlook, there is still possibility that this outlook might have another leg to the downside, and we will complete the extremely complex and time-consuming cycle here in gold before the advance to the upside. For now, we are keep waiting for this situation. It looks like we hit the extremely overbought conditions, and the market might be ready to even spike down and do some kind of a pullback or something like this. We will see. For now, bullish outlook. S&P 500 on a daily time frame chart, it keeps moving lower as the momentum is on the level of 52%. Now on the 4-hour time frame chart, momentum is below the level of 50 as we almost retraced 38%. But please notice 38% is very, very close to the technical support at 7,620. So this situation here might develop into more complex and time-consuming correction to the downside. Okay, so please stay focused and stay vigilant. S&P 500 is still looking quite good. Nevertheless, we are now doing some sort of the correction. Crude oil, a 4-hour time frame chart, is trading still inside of the channel, but we have a first attempt to break below this channel and out of this channel, especially if we break below the level of 50 on the RSI on 4-hour time frame chart. Then this technical support 84.64 might be violated. Next target would be somewhere around $80 per barrel of oil. For now, the situation here might look a little bit difficult because the bulls should be pretending should be still defending, of course, the lower channel line, but it will they succeed? We don't know it just yet. All right, so please stay focused, stay vigilant here. And the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame chart is showing us obviously the bearish engulfing pattern, or the some sort of the other bearish engulfing pattern here. After we go lower from the extremely overbought conditions, 95 points, very, very strong reading on the RSI. We are back into the range, 65 points. We tested the technical support at 75,609 and we bounced back inside of the middle of the range. So it looks like the bulls are still in charge of this market. This is our target. This is our major level when we should consider something is going on more seriously in the near term than the just regular bounce or even a rally or short squeeze up towards the $80,000. If we break above $84,000, then the situation here on the Bitcoin will be different, because this is the last time we've seen movement, very strong movement to the downside. Okay, so that's the area and that's the situation here. We need to break above it in order to continue higher. Otherwise, all of this situation will be just another spike to the upside, short squeeze, and then return to the downtrend. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.